Hello everyone! English Craft here. Today we're going to learn colors. Are you ready? Let's get started. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange. Well done. Let's do it again.
Red, blue, green, yellow, orange. Good job. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange.
Well done everyone. Game time. Now let's play a game. Let's play a game. Let's find a red balloon. Can you see it? Where is it? Oh, it's here. Well done. Boom. Where is a green balloon? Can you see it? Can you find it? Where is it? Look, it's here. Boom! Great job. Can you find a blue balloon? Where is it? Can you see it? Look, it's here. That's right. Boom! Perfect. Where is a yellow balloon? Can you see it? Where is it? It's here. That's right. Bravo. And can you find an orange balloon? Where is it? Where is it? Look, it's over there. Great! Boom! Perfect! Game time! Now, let's play a game. Let's play a game. What do you see here? It's a red balloon, a blue balloon, a green balloon, a yellow balloon, and an orange balloon. Now let's cast a spell. Abra, cadabra, wheezy, woo! Which balloon is missing? The green balloon. That's right. Well done. Now let's cast another spell. So, abra, cadabra, wheezy, woo! Which balloon is missing now? The red balloon. That's right. Correct. Now let's cast a spell. So, abra, cadabra, wheezy, woo! Which balloon is missing? The orange balloon. That's right. Well done. Let's cast a spell again. So, abra, cadabra, wheezy, woo! Which balloon is missing now? The blue balloon. That's right. Splendid. Let's cast another spell. So, abra, cadabra, wheezy, woo! Which balloon is missing now? The yellow balloon. Well done. Good job. Now let's count. Let's count the red balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red balloons. Well done. Now it's time to count the blue balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blue balloons. Perfect. Now let's count the green balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green balloons. That's right. Now it's time for the yellow balloons. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yellow balloons. That's correct. And we've got orange balloons. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 orange balloons. That's right. Good job. Game time. Now, let's play a game. Let's play a game. Blue, green, red, yellow, yellow. Boom! Amazing! Let's play again. Red, green, blue, yellow, orange, green, green. Boom! That's right. Let's do it again. Green, yellow, green, orange, blue, red, blue, blue. Boom! That's correct. Perfect. Well done. Look, it's a red balloon. Where is it? It's up, 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 up. Boom! Look, it's a blue balloon. Where is it? It's down, down, down. Boom! Look, it's a green balloon. Where is it? It's up. That's right. Boom! And here comes an orange balloon. Where is it? It's up, 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 up. Boom! Where is a yellow balloon? Where is it? It's down. That's right. Boom! Look, it's a yellow balloon. Now let's make it big. That's right. Boom! Now, look, it's a blue balloon. Let's make it small. Perfect. It's small. It's a small balloon. Boom! Here comes a red balloon. That's right. Let's make it big. Look how big it is. Boom! Here comes a green balloon. Let's make it small. Perfect. Boom! And look, we've got an orange balloon. Let's make it big. That's right. And boom! Bravo! Well done! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more.